Here we go. One box mini, Dominion Hockey. Good luck, everybody. Doing it draft style. Move the keyboard, give us some room. Checklist, hopefully don't need it. A thin one. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10 cards. 10 it is. Alrighty. Here we go. Base numbered to 199, Sam Gagner. Let me see if there's any base on the back. Typically there are. Okay. I'll take the 3 off the back. We have a rookie auto, Jared Cowan, numbered, oh, gold, numbered 6 of 25. Very nice. Very nice. Jared Cowan gold, numbered to 25. Then we've got a Joe Thornton jersey, numbered to 99. Next, we have an emerald base, numbered 2 of 5, Roberto Luongo, 2 of 5. Next, we have a Justin Braun, numbered to 199. Rookie auto. Next, we have a Ruby auto on card, numbered 44 of 50, Henrik Sedin. Line. Next, we have a rookie auto, numbered 25 of 25, Stefan Della Rovere. Another gold. Interesting. Next, very nice. We have a stick side signatures, number 27 of 50, Cujo, Curtis Joseph. Next, we have a patch, 3 colors, number 2 of 25, Martin Brodeur. And we have a jersey, numbered 46 of 99, Alexander Ovechkin. Alexander Ovechkin. So let me get these set up. That means this case is going to be loaded, because this was the pretty good box. 2 rookie golds, which those are tough. I can't believe there's 2 in one box. That's pretty crazy. Alrighty. So, you got numbers 1 through 5. Definitely a good draft box, yeah, because there's 7 hits plus the emerald, so 8. And so, yeah, very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Janton, I see 4. Perfect. CBJ fan 14. CBJ fan 14, you're up first. Stick side, Cujo. Alrighty, he is yours. Need another number. Number 2. There you go, Jen. CBJ. CBJ number 2. Brodeur. Janton. Or anybody. 1. Selly 22. Selly 22. I mean, we saw 4 really nice hits left, so the Sedin, the Emerald base, and both gold rookies. Yeah, anyone else who's, I mean, if you're looking for value, you might want to use other people because they can be on eBay or whatever, but I would probably go with either Sedin or the Cowan gold rookie. One of those two. If you want like an established star, I'd go with the Sedin. And if you want take a chance on a rookie, I'd go with the Cowan. CBJ says the gold sends. There it is. Very nice. 5, you said? Babatola. Babatola, number 5. And then CBJ, you're going to pick last. A good draft for everybody, for sure. Sedin Ruby, very good pick. CBJ, you are up. 2 picks. The Ovi. And the Lou Emerald. Okay. Babatola, you're up. Selly, you're next. We got a gold of Stefan Della Rovere for the Blues, Justin Braun, Joe Thornton jersey, and a base of Sam Gagner. Rookie gold, Stefan Della Rovere. Selly, your pick. Do you want the rookie auto, the jersey? Auto, perfect. CBJ, you get the jersey, and then the base. So there you have it. Here we go, box 2, Dominion Draft. Doing it up. Let me get numbers written on these real quick. Yep, this is the box CBJ said, but both of the remaining 2 should be pretty nice boxes. Interesting. I think there's a base on the back, I think. Let's get the base off the back. I like doing the jerseys too. So there we go. So starting off with a jersey of Mark Stahl. Oh, how many cards? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Mark Stahl jersey. With a little fuzz I'll leave on there. Number to 99, I believe. Yep. Base, Jonathan Toews. Number to 199. Base, Alex Tanguay. Number to 199. We have a blue base, 8 of 10. Glenn Hall. St. Louis Blues, Glenn Hall. 8 of 10. Next up, we have a rookie auto, numbered to 199, Nick Johnson. Next, I'll save that one. It's nice. You guys probably just saw it, but red parallel, Ed Giacomin. Autograph. Ruby, red, whatever. 45 of 50. Next, championship gear. I believe that's a patch. Yep, 7 of 50. George Peros. Single color. Jersey of Eric Stahl. Number to 99. We have a 3-color patch, nameplate patch, numbered 11 of 25, Mikko Koivu. And hit of the box, we have a 3-color rookie patch auto, numbered 81 of 99, Braden Shen. Braden Shen. So there you have it. Let's see. Yep, this last one's going to be stupid, crazy. Because this one had 3 base cards, technically. So, this last one should get interesting. So I see 3 so far. So, apparently if you want it for the last one, you better jump in fast. 2 left. Alrighty. Braden Shin. Rookie patch auto. I'll hold it up that way. Maybe she can see it. Alrighty, someone who's not in it. Number 1 through 5. Oh, 5. Shink. Shink. Babatola. Babatola. Very nice, sir. Alrighty. The Shen is yours. Nope, he has 1. Everyone has 1, I think. Jin. 4. Going up the order. Sully 22. Sully 22. I would either go with the Giacomin or the Koivu patch, depending on which one you like better. Yeah, for sure. Yes, please. Alrighty. 3. C-Stipe. C-Stipe. Alright, I think we're down to 1, by the way, in the last Dominion. And Man888, I got your message. That's good. Can someone type that it's C-Stipe's turn? What do you guys think? I would probably go with the patch here. What do you guys think? Patch? Yeah, that's what I would do. Beautiful looking patch. 1. Oh my gosh. Ask the Preds fan. Ask the Preds. Oh my goodness. Language. Oh my gosh. That is ridiculous. He called it. That's crazy. Ask the Preds fan. Got a Nick Johnson auto, 1 color championship gear patch of Peros, number /50. Jerseys of Eric Stahl and Mark Stahl, weird. And then we have a blue base of Glenn Hall. Rookie auto, Nick Johnson. And Subi, you get 2 picks. Alright, we're full on the next one, guys. Championship gear. And Sully, you get. Do I? Something? Yeah, Sully. If you want for the third one, send a 76. The Ranger Mark Stahl. Sorry. Mark Stahl and Eric Stahl. Yep, both of them. And then the Glenn Hall is numbered to 10. Take the Canes. All right. Ask the Preds fan, you are up. Do you want a jersey of Mark Stahl, a Glenn Hall blue to 10? Glenn Hall, good call. They're really nice looking cards. C. Stipe. You're on your phone, but I'm just going to pick the jersey because I know that's what you're going to take. Sully, do you want Alex Tanguay or Jonathan Toews? Alex Tanguay or Jonathan Toews? All right. I don't even know why I asked you that. I knew that you were a Chicago guy. And then Alex Tanguay for Babatola. So there you have it. Here we go. Box 3 of the case of Dominion. Another draft going down. This is the top box. Yep. That means as long as this one produces. As long as this one produces, that means that the last 3 cases it's been bottom, middle, top, all different every time. Ooh, we got some fatties in here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 with a ton of fatties. I think that 4 of them are fat cards. No, I'm not making fun of them. Oh, patch on the back, that's weird. Okay. Base, Vincent Lecavalier. Rookie auto, very nice one. Nick Leddy, number to 199. Oh, nice. Brass Bonanza. I think we pulled this one before. Number to 24. Brendan Shanahan. Number to 24. Brass Bonanza. We got a lot of nice ones coming. Ryan Miller, Jim Craig, Pen Pals, number 2 of 50. We pulled that last week, I believe. 2 weeks ago, maybe. Next, Showcase Showdown, Jumbo. Oh my lordy. 36 of 50, Matthias Tedenby. Yeah, told you guys, this box was going to be loaded. Oh my gosh. I'm moving that to, I'm just leaving it on the back. So there's the Tedenby. All-Decade Jersey, numbered 50 of 99, Jerome McGinley. This one has all the freaking subsets in it. Next up, we have a blue autograph, number 2 of 10, Trevor Linden. 2 of 10. Next up, oh crap, this is a loaded box. 1 of 1, rookie autograph black, Braden Irwin. 1 of 1. Yeah, just wait. This box is absolutely disgusting. 1 of 1. Braden Irwin black. 1 of 1. Oh, just wait. We have a patch, 2 colors, prime, Alexander Ovechkin, numbered 17 of 25. And last hit of the break, numbered 15 of 25. That's right. Another visit from Miko. Flink. Peerless patches, number to 25. Miko Koivu with some disgusting fuzz going on. It's like a carpet. So, alright. Holy crap. This is why this stuff is perfect this way. And that's why I ordered 4 cases of it, because this stuff is just beautiful. 1 base card. Yep. All hits except for 1. That's what I'm talking about. There really wasn't one case hit. Maybe the 1 of 1. There was never a silver base, so it's hard to say. Like, that's why I like Dominion. There's so many quality hits that sometimes it is hard to say which one was the case hit. You could argue that the Chin was. You could argue that the 101 was. Who knows? So, anyway. 1 through 5. Zamuli, get us started off. 1 through 5. 3. Going right to the middle. Ask the Preds fan. Ask the Preds fan, going 1 overall. So we had 3 different people go first overall. Pretty cool. This is actually pretty tough. Well, I guess, yeah. It's hard to pass on a 101. Especially when it's not a printing plate. Agreed. I agree with that choice. I like the Peerless, but how do you pass on a true 1 of 1? It's not like a printing plate or anything. It's an, I think they're Onyx. They're called Onyx in Dominion, but yeah. I think it's a she, I think. But yeah, okay. That's what I thought. Yeah. Hey, Preds fan, are you a female or just the pay to account? Just checking. Yes. There you go. See? You guys, all you males. No, no. They said he and I said she. I try to put these guys in their place. Make them treat you right. Alright, 1, 2, 4, and 5. Babatola said 4. There's 4. And women going top 2. Man 888. Man 888. Peerless. Alright, someone else? Janton, 2. Holy crap. Yellow Subio 3. Oh my gosh. This guy is unreal. Wow. Now Subi's like, man, I already have a Pen Pals. I would pick it next, but should I? The Linden is numbered to 10, by the way. I don't know if you guys remember that, but the Whalers, Brendan Shanahan. Nice. All right, 1 and 5. Who's picking? Five. Stipe. C. Stipe. Ask her if she wants the Craig Miller duel or if she wants a Linden numbered to 10. Linden? Oh, there you go. Perfect. And then, Selly, you actually get 2 picks in a row now, so you're not in a bad spot. The duel and the patch. That's what I would have done. Perfect. Stipe. Letty, Iggy, Teddenby, and then a base card of Vincent Lecavalier. Iggy. Subi. Nick Letty, Matthias Teddenby Jumbo, or Lecavalier base. Jumbo. Man 888. Auto or base? Auto. And Preds fan, there you go.